Stockholm, Bryssel, Leningrad and bunch of Finnish cities. Very international. But that's normal in Finland. We are open to everything. Look, telephone wires. Do we need them anymore? I don't think so. Now we have moved on to children's series. I just can't understand why do they give all the best points to kids even though they throw the shortest. That's not good sportsmanship. I think the best points go to the ones who throw it the longest. Usually it is the men. Not children, at least. We are getting somewhat good international media coverage with this kind of crazy event. No wonder there are so many success stories from Finland. Hey, thanks man! Where are you from? I have been to Rhodos. Can you name any Finnish mobile phone manufacturers? Correct. There is someone from Sweden. This is kind of like cultural exchange. People from other countries come here, they have their own specialities, tulpans or lederhosen, and we have then some design and technology and innovations, of course. Don't have a go, man. Typical Finnish luck this race. Where are you from? Holland. Finland, of course. Trees are kind of like basis of our economy.
Yeah.
Just like trees and mobile technology.
Nokia.
You know Nokia?
Yeah, I know Nokia.
Of course. Once you make friends with a Finn, you have a friend for a lifetime. Just look at me. Yes! S60. Fly like a swan. Do you know the internet?